Jedrick Rico is here, and today we're diving into Ronaldo Gripaldo's fascinating works, The Concept of the Public Good, a view from the Filipino philosopher. The good life, often discussed in philosophy, explores what constitutes a fulfilling and meaningful existence. Gripaldo's perspective, deeply rooted in Filipino philosophy, adds a crucial layer to discussions. He doesn't just focus on individual well-being but emphasizes the public good. What struck me most is how Gripaldos connect the individual pursuit of happiness with the betterment of society. He argues that a truly good life isn't solely about personal achievement, but also about contributing to the well-being of others. This resonates deeply with the Filipino values of pakikipagkapwa and bayanihan. A thriving community provides a foundations for a good life. Access to a quality education, healthcare, and safe environment are all elements of the public good that directly impact individual well-being. Gripaldo's work highlight how neglecting the public good undermines and possibility of a good life for many. The book isn't just theoretical, it's offer practical insight. Gripaldo explores how Filipino values and traditional can inform the pursuit of the public good. It's a call to action, urging us to actively participate in building a better society, not just for ourselves but for future generation. Connecting this to my good life lesson, I realized that a truly fulfilling life isn't just about accumulating wealth or achieving personal goals in isolation. It's about finding meaning and purpose through contributing to something larger than ourselves. Gripaldo's work challenges us to redefine what a good life truly means, emphasizing the interconnectedness of individual well-being and the common good. That's all. Thank you.